How to download your data from YouTube. What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download your data from your YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel and if you've uploaded some videos on your YouTube and you want to download them, this is how you do it. It's quite straightforward, so just follow these steps until the end. First thing first, you will have to open up your YouTube application, and then from here, you want to head over to the U tab at the bottom right. Now just tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. But before we go any further, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so from here what you want to do is tap on your data in YouTube. Tap on it and it will take you to another page where you have all of your YouTube data's access. And here you will see your YouTube's watch history, your YouTube search history, your web and app activity, your timeline, your personalized ads, and many more. So what you really want to do is scroll up to the top, and here on your YouTube dashboard, you will find if there are any videos. You can just tap on download data. So what this will do is it will open up your Google Takeout, and you can select your data from here and tap on continue to download your data. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.